She sees it before it's built.
Yeah, take a look too.
And you're thinking, that's a cool job.
I create buildings in virtual reality for us to resolve issues before we actually spend money on them. I'm a game master of the whole project, and I decide how everyone is going to play the game.
Nadirah's models track construction in real time, down to the smallest detail.
These buildings that we create in the virtual space are known as building information models, and they are a digital clone of what we're actually going to build. Digital delivery is a mindset shift. What kids are doing are they're playing Minecraft, and this is exactly what we do, but we do it in the real world.
Behind every virtual model is hard work in the real world.
Drones are a very cool thing that we're using right now to go into areas that we cannot even see. The BIM actually provides us a virtual comparison of what we are supposed to build versus what we have actually built. My job is to get that comparison. Everyone in the game has got different requirements, and I map it out. We all work together seamlessly on one singular platform.
Cool.
An architect uses BIM to do wind simulations or sun simulations. The structural engineer uses it to analyze all the different forces. When you are trying to get a team to build the building at the same time, nothing works better than being able to show them exactly how they're going to do it.
This is where we were this morning.
I used to draw buildings on paper. You know how annoying that is? Paper and pencil. We moved to BIM. What used to take us a year and a half to build is now 4 months.
Airports, train tunnels, and perhaps even the malls you visit may have been built with Nadirah's BIM. Nadirah studied architecture, trained in the profession for 2 years.
Then I took up construction management, and that's when I learned about BIM. I was convinced this is the way to go.
Today, as a digital delivery manager, Nadirah champions new technologies, robotics, AI across every stage of the construction.
BIM is only a small part of digital delivery. I'm not a tech nerd, but being a BIM manager allows me to try everything cool.
If you enjoy solving problems with digital tools,
Scan here.